Everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense, and let's see what the month of October 2020 has in store for the sun sign Libra. For the Librans, overall, this is a very beautiful and a very smooth, harmonious month where you will really be very relaxed, you will be very happy, you will feel very positive. Everything around you is going to be very smoothly flowing, and that's going to keep you in a very beautiful, positive and a happy mood for the entire month of October 2020. Moving on to the first section of your workspace. This month for Librans in the workspace is going to be very beautiful. You have some of these months in your life where everything is absolutely smooth. Nobody has to be told anything what to do. Everybody does their work in nice, beautiful, harmonious synchronization, and there's just love and peace and laughter and cooperation and a very beautiful atmosphere. So you feel very relaxed. You will realize that your creativity is very high and you're just in a very good and a happy mood at your workspace. So yes, for the Librans, this month at the workspace is going to be a very beautiful, emotional and a very peaceful, happy experience. Moving on to the finances. Finances also are very smooth for the Librans, particularly in the month of October 2020. When your workspace is so beautiful, there are chances that after work you might actually go and have fun with your friends, and you will nicely invest your finances in pampering yourself, going out and having fun, probably a visit to the spa with your friends, let's say partying or something of that stuff, some kind of a jovial activity, or you could just simply buy a nice expensive gift for yourself. And because the finances are also so smooth and nice for this month, obviously everything is going to be very good. It is in the department of relationships, however, that I have to say that the Librans for the month of October 2020 have to be a little bit careful, a little bit cautious. So for the Librans, this month is going to be very good emotional wise and relationship wise particularly as well. But then what happens is, someone who is very close to you, let's say a family member or your spouse, might be in a particularly irate or a very irritating or a very angry mood for the month of October 2020. So sometimes where you are responsible for some kind of a problem in a relationship, this month you will experience that an irate family member or a spouse is going or could be the cause of a concern when it comes to your relationships for the month of October 2020. So what you have to do is, you have to guard yourself against getting into a fight with your family member just because the other person is very agitated. Now, there are going to be times or situations where someone might suddenly all of a sudden get into a very argumentative mood with you, and that person might actually expect you to retaliate or probably speak back or want your reaction. So Librans for the month of 2020, you will have to see to it that no matter how much that a person is angry and irate and wants to fight with you and is arguing with you over something, see to it that you do not lose your cool, you maintain your harmony and your equilibrium, and see to it that you sort out the argument or have a very loving conversation with the family member and put all the arguments to rest in a very peaceful manner. So this month, relationship wise, you might find yourself getting into a whirlpool of arguments because one of your loved one is in a very angry mood. So guard yourself against getting involved into the fight. Health wise, you might be in a particularly good mood. So the entire month is going to be in general very harmonious. Your workspace good, your finances good, and you might actually want to go back to some kind of a fitness regime or a routine just for your well-being, your physical, mental and emotional well-being, and you will be already charged about it. So if in case you're wondering, ideally it could be some kind of a fitness routine that you have followed quite some years back, but now you've probably just not followed it because of a very busy lifestyle or a busy routine. So if in case, let's say for example, you were into Zumba a few years back, so this month particularly you might actually want to do something for yourself, and you might actually go back to Zumba once again and restart and kickstart it. Alternatively, if in case you feel that okay, I want to do something and I don't know where is it that I should start off from, something light could be very good for you. For example, just simply taking a walk in your garden, or going out in the garden, or taking a stroll by the nature, or just doing some light yoga exercises, or joining a virtual yoga class online will be absolutely beneficial for you. So overall, except for a little bit of the relationship part, this month is extremely beautiful for the Librans, and here's wishing you a very, very blessed and a happy, beautiful month ahead.